Insert a bar of soap into a bun. Most people aren't aware of this method. It can solve many problems. But first, take a bar of soap and grate a small amount using a grater. The soap not only works as an antibacterial and disinfectant, but also as a repellent, making it the perfect base for this mixture. Next, add some toothpaste. The toothpaste makes the mixture stickier and helps it adhere longer. Then, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar is key. It not only provides the right consistency, but also enhances the effects of the other ingredients. Mix everything well until the components are fully combined. Now, add small pieces of bun, which make the mixture even more appealing. Mix once more, then transfer the mixture onto jar lids. Place them in your food cupboard, where insects tend to appear. This will eliminate all kinds of pests. This solution works just as well in places like the drain or the entrance to your home. It's a simple, inexpensive, and extremely effective method that will completely solve your problem. Combine a bread roll with toothpaste. Most people don't know this trick. In just a moment, you'll see why it's worth trying. Take a regular bread roll, preferably a few days old, and grate it using a coarse grater. The bread acts as a base that absorbs additional ingredients. Next, add toothpaste. It gives the mixture the right stickiness. Then, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar plays a key role, not only improving the consistency, but also enhancing the effectiveness of the other ingredients. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is not only a universal cleaning agent, but also a powerful eliminator. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a sticky consistency. Transfer the mixture onto a plate or another flat dish. Now, simply place the plate near entry doors, balcony windows, or close to the fridge. These are the spots where cockroaches often appear. Attracted by the sweet scent of sugar, cockroaches consume the mixture, effectively reducing their presence in your home. This natural method helps eliminate insects without the need for chemical solutions. Just a few drops, and you'll get rid of multiple problems. Prepare a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of sugar. It works as an excellent attractant. Then, mix in 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which has neutralizing and expanding properties. Next, pour in some vinegar, well known for its cleaning and repelling effects. Finally, add dish soap to help distribute the mixture more effectively. Stir everything vigorously. See a syringe to apply the solution into window frames, especially in small gaps where unwanted guests might enter. Apply it around balcony windows as well to prevent cockroaches from getting inside. This natural method not only keeps insects away, but also works as a great drain cleaner. Just apply it and rinse with water. It's fast, effective, and chemical-free. One simple trick, multiple solutions in one. Scoop up the mixture and pour it into the corners of your home. The problem will disappear for good. Prepare a smaller bowl and add about 2 tablespoons of sugar, which acts as a bait. Next, add some baking soda, which when combined with moisture and other factors, triggers a chemical reaction that boosts the effectiveness of the entire mixture and makes it much more powerful. Now add a few pumps of dish soap, which helps the mixture stick better to surfaces and last longer. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Then take a syringe and fill it with the prepared mixture. Apply it in the corners of your home. Spread the mixture especially near the sink, where there is access to water and food residue. Also apply it in the bathroom, in corners, near drains, and in damp crevices. This is one of the most effective home remedies for cockroaches that you can use right away. Sugar plays a key role here, acting as a bait that attracts insects to the mixture and increases its effectiveness. Using cucumber peels on window frames is a simple trick that can bring surprising benefits. When peeling cucumbers, most people throw the skins away, not realizing they have practical uses. Cucumber peels contain natural oils and aromatic compounds that gently freshen the air and help neutralize unpleasant odors. But that's not all. In a moment, I'll tell you exactly why it's worth trying. Fresh peels, preferably cut into strips, should be placed in the corners of window frames or used to gently wipe the surface. Repeat every 2 to 3 days to maintain the effect. You can also make a natural spray. Pour about 1 cup of water and 1 cup of vinegar into a spray bottle. Vinegar has cleansing properties. Add some cucumber peels and a few allspice berries. Allspice has a strong, spicy aroma that not only freshens the air, but is also extremely unpleasant for certain uninvited guests. Leave the mixture for a few hours so the ingredients blend well, then spray the frames and window crevices. These methods effectively repel cockroaches, making it harder for them to enter your home. They make cockroaches steer clear of your house altogether. The strong scent of the mixture repels and confuses them. When used regularly, it not only prevents their appearance but also keeps your surroundings clean and pest-free. Cockroaches, moths, and ants will stay far away from your home. With this trick, they'll never show up, or you'll get rid of them quickly. This mixture has another amazing use, which you'll discover at the end. You only need 4 ingredients, and I'm sure you have them at home. If not, they are inexpensive and available in any store. Start by preparing a bowl. Pour in half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Add a few cloves. Just like vinegar, they have a strong scent that ants, moths, and cockroaches hate. Next, take a lime and peel it. The peel is what we need. If you don't have a lime, you can use a lemon instead. The last ingredient is alcohol. Add 2 teaspoons to the mixture. Mix everything well and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, use a funnel to transfer the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray it in areas where these insects tend to appear, such as the trash can and surrounding areas or pantry shelves. You can also spray it on plants affected by pests like thrips or whiteflies. No matter where you use it, the results will be fantastic. You'll never see a cockroach in your home again. Pour half a cup of water into a small container and add 3 pumps of dish soap. Add a little toothpaste and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything well. Place this homemade mixture where you previously saw cockroaches. It will keep them far away. Do this, and your home will be free of bugs. Insert a bar of soap into a bun. Most people aren't aware of this method. It can solve many problems. But first, take a bar of soap and grate a small amount using a grater. The soap not only works as an antibacterial and disinfectant, but also as a repellent, making it the perfect base for this mixture. Next, add some toothpaste. The toothpaste makes the mixture stickier and helps it adhere longer. Then, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar is key. It not only provides the right consistency, but also enhances the effects of the other ingredients. Mix everything well until the components are fully combined. Now, add small pieces of bun, which make the mixture even more appealing. Mix once more, then transfer the mixture onto jar lids. Place them in your food cupboard, where insects tend to appear. This will eliminate all kinds of pests. This solution works just as well in places like the drain or the entrance to your home. It's a simple, inexpensive, and extremely effective method that will completely solve your problem.